We are in the Workshop Management module to manually log employee hours to a job from a timesheet. There is another way to achieve this by using the Data Capture module where employee times are logged automatically to jobs. This is the subject of another video. I'll click the Employee button, which opens to the Log Hours window. As you can see, we are able to enter hours using a start and end time. Or you have the option of selecting the Use Hours entry box and entering gross hours. I'm going to use the Start and Finish option. Lunch break is selected, which means the half-hour break won't calculate in the total hours. First, I select the employee. Note that his daily working hours are displayed at the bottom of the screen. Now from the time card, I will add the job number 56. Select the work centre he worked on. These work centre codes are created by you in the work centre setup. And tab to the start time. I'll type 6A for AM and 2:30 and leave the P for PM. Click the Save button and you can see that the program has inserted the correct hours, allowing for the lunch break. Hours are also added to and will accumulate on the calendar to the right here. If an employee's day is broken down over a number of jobs, simply enter another job line on line 2 and carry on until the hours for the day have been allocated. Then click Save. I can use the Previous and Next buttons and view other days for this employee. And I can edit the entries if necessary. It's strongly suggested to check the employee attendance report each day and correct entries in this window if they are incorrect. This is the end of the Employee Log Hours video.